What's up, guys? I'm back with an update video on the metric. So got the new valve cover breathers in, and I need to cut the old roof sign mount off. I got the new roof sign here. I'm gonna notch this front a little bit out to sit over the halo, just in case if the car gets rolled over, the front of the roof sign's held up and it's not gonna just take the roof down. And then I need to get it up on the lift and do some stuff underneath the car, so I'm gonna get to work. Alright guys, threw some high temp grill paint. I ran it on another set of headers I got, and it's still on there, and that was a few years back. So once it dries, I'll be able to see spots I missed and go over it again. But got the roof sign on, notched out for the halo. Got the back of the roof pulled up to it now. So now I believe I'm going to bring the car up in the air and start doing some overhead stuff. I'll probably have this on time lapse. So alright guys, got the tire head adjusted, welded the bottom of the bumper where I could, and threw in the trans crossmember angle irons. It touches the tranny crossmember and ties the thick part, brace part, into the bottom. It's kind of welded to the crossmember. And this side jumps the gap and is welded to the floor. Not sure if that's going to be legal. Fitment wasn't really ideal, but I think it'll help kind of hold this area together. It's not the best looking, but like if somebody's got to cut it out, I'm not gonna take a bunch of time on it. I'm not entirely sure, but yeah. So now I'm going to change the oil and tighten up the bolts underneath for battery box, seat belts, and all that stuff, and just nut and bolt check the whole thing. And yeah, so put you up on time lapse. Alright guys, got all the bolts tightened up for the battery box and the seat belts, and then zip tied the cap down and the plug in the cap. Got the headers look a lot better painted now. Filled it with oil, and I think it's done, I guess. So if I think of anything else, I'll do it, but that'll probably be it. The raffle is currently going on my Facebook page, so if you guys want a chance to win this car, then go enter into the raffle. So that'll be it for today's video.